Hi guys, welcome back to my shop. It's been a while since I've seen you around here. As you can see, I'm all dressed up and I'm about to start turning something for the first time in a long time, as you probably know. But I have been to Maker Central 2022, which was the last weekend for me when I'm recording this. And for some of you that have met me there, and for those of you who couldn't make it, we're so sorry. But I have brought some goodies with me, not a lot of them, so it's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to show and tell about all these beautiful things that I have here on my table, and I'll hope to be able to tag as many people as possible from the wonderful people that I'm going to mention here with their maker coins and their stickers. But if you're not tagged in the video, please send me a message or post a comment with your tag, and I will be happy to change the video description to include your tag in it. So everyone, let's go over the stuff I brought with me from Maker Central. This is a very special thank you before I start up with everything. Going out to Nick Zemari for setting up Maker Central. After 2 years of postponing the event, you came out and you put up a wonderful event. And my second biggest thanks goes to Leona. Leona made my coming to the event possible in every which way, and her help and support during the past couple of years with everything we've been through. There's just nothing I can say that will show my appreciation and my thanks to Leona Faye of Leona Faye Woodturning for everything she did. So let's continue with all the nice stuff that we've seen here before. So I got this very nice t-shirt from the event itself, obviously Maker Central. You can see there's a few of the highlights from the event here. And on the other side, main stage in Makers, sponsored by Vectric. They also sponsored a very nice, once again, an evening of free pizza and beer. So that was really nice of them again this year. Now this is one of the things I'm most excited about, and as you can see, these are new. The company is new, these formulas are new. This is a set of CA glues and an accelerator, and you got the thin, medium, thick and the black thick, already dyed black for all our uses, and we know that we have a lot of them. And now these were formulated, or so I'm being told, to be a little bit slower drying, so you will have more time to work with your piece before it sets. But if you want instant setting, you can always use the accelerator. Once more, they were formulated especially to not have those crystallizations or the fogging up of the glue when it comes to contact with a little bit of moisture, or as it is drying unevenly. We all know those white streaks we get in the super glue in the CA that we're using all the time for our project. So those are eliminated here with these products, and obviously we will have a lot of tests. I'll also be trying to turn some pens, and I will use these glues to give the pens their finish. So we'll see how they will work. The kit is very nice. It also comes with interchangeable tips for the bottles, many duplicates, so that's very nice of them to include. The next thing I want to show you is this set of tools. I was given this, well, half given, half purchased, half donated. It's an interesting story, but I was given these tools by a very dear friend, Adam, from the Banana Makers group. You know who you are. And these are tools specifically to turn Chinese nesting spheres. So yeah, they will dance about. And I don't know if most of you know, I'm pretty sure most of you know these, of the nested spheres, Chinese spheres. I hope this is in focus. So I got this set from him, and this is probably going to be one of the most challenging things I've ever done, because it needs such extraordinary precision. And again, it will also need some specialty tools like the chuck to grab the sphere to work, and everything is obviously fit to size, has to be very, very precise. So that's going to be an interesting challenge, and an upcoming video, or probably a series of 1 to 10 videos just to complete the one sphere. Or maybe it will go faster than I expect, and I'll be able to turn a few, but we will have to wait for that. So this is a few pen kits. It's not that I don't have enough pen kits. I have a lot of pen kits, but as you might have noticed, I don't turn a lot of pens. I bought this package deal because it also contained 2 mechanical pencils, which I've promised both of my eldest kids that I will turn for them, so they will be able to use them at school. So that's going to be a project or a couple in there. Obviously I'm going to try and break the mold a little bit as far as designs on the pen turning themselves. I don't know what I'll do, but I want to do something special, non-conventional. Another pen kit here that I was given by Leona, which you all supposed to know about by now. It's one of those pens that will open and close when you flick them, so that's gonna be a nice project. For the first time ever in my shop, I've got a sanding sealer, a proper sanding sealer, not just boiled linseed oil. And from the same place, the chestnut stand or booth, I also got these 2 finishing waxes, bright blue and bronze. They are called rainbow waxes. And I also bought black super glue from Chestnut as well, because I didn't know I will have the other one in the package of the 4 different glues that I've showed you before. Guys, these are the makers coins that I've collected from people around the event. You can some of them are beautiful, some of them are simpler, but they're beautiful in themselves for the effort people took to make those and hand those around. Somewhere on the screen I'll post the video where I made the 80 mini SKUs that I gave away at the event as my maker coin. I know almost everyone got one of those, and I think Jimmy DiResta and his crew got off with 5 of those. So if you don't see your coin here and you gave one to me, I'm sorry, it must have lost in the luggage. But obviously you can see here this can opener from Leona Fay, which you all must know by now. And this is from Pete, one of the best people I've met in the show this year. So thank you, Pete. I'll try again to tag whomever I can and remember. Some of these are, they have those codes at the back. I'll zoom in for you guys to be able to scan those if you want to. I think some others had those as well, but I must be mistaken. So guys, thank you again for all these lovely creations. I mean, some of these are lasered in stainless steel, others are burned. We've got everything from everyone here, and obviously at the event itself we've got this nice coin, obviously made for the 2020 event, like most of us, but given in the 2022 event, a reminder of the missing 2 years. These are some of the stickers I've collected during the event. They're not all the stickers, but they are most of the stickers. Again, we didn't have as many as the last event, but we got along just fine. Just a few names to go by. We've got Anna's sticker here. Here up you can see it well with the reflections going off it. Again, my special thanks to Anna. And we've got some Bigfoot Woodcraft Wood Club. We've got Wayne's here. Thank you, Wayne. Out of the Woodwork podcast, Miss T's Woodturning, Maker Central. Obviously Wood Dude with Woodturning is highly addictive. Leona's face sticker again. Emma FV Smith, we were a couple of guys making carving knives, and they made the handles themselves very nice. We've got Aki Makes and Dave Designs, Shop Doc Workshop. A shout out to everyone. We've got Making Awesome, Awesome in Progress, and we've got Make It Soft with a new sticker this year. I love the color. Woodworking Wisdom. We've got Shadow Foam, Exminster, Valerie's Crafty Eddie, and Suri Makers. A little bit cryptic about what this one is. So guys, again, I want to thank you for joining me. I promise you I'll be making some wood turning and some shavings flying your ways very soon now. Just need to get all my things organized and ready, and I'll see you in my shop really soon.